Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to change language on Spotify iPhone. Let's go. Changing the app's interface language can help you understand the menus and options better. First of all, open up the Spotify app. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After tapping your profile picture, a menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the settings page where various options related to your account and preferences are available. Tap on App Language. When you are on this page, it will ask you to change device language if you want to change your Spotify language. Now tap on Continue. The Spotify will take you to Settings app. Go to General. Then scroll down to find and select Language and Region. Now, select Device Language. After this, choose a language you want to use. Then click Done. Finally, confirm your selection once again. Once you have changed device language, restart the device. Now your Spotify language will be changed. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.